Russia's ongoing efforts to maintain a robust military presence in Ukraine have seen a combination of innovative tactics and reliance on legacy platforms. Among these efforts is the development of the BTR-80 armored personnel carrier with the new remote control combat module. The upgraded BTR-80 represents a critical aspect of Russia's strategy to adapt its aging military hardware for current operational needs, particularly as its new generation platforms like the Amateur, Boomerang, and Kurganets have encountered production delays and logistical issues. The BTR-80 is a product of the Soviet Union's emphasis on armor mobility, entering service in the mid-1980s. Initially, it was designed to transport infantry to the battlefield and provide close fire support, primarily within the scope of mechanized infantry units. Over the years, it has proven itself in various combat environments, from peacekeeping missions to full-scale combat operations. Despite its age, the BTR-80's mechanical reliability, mobility, and ease of maintenance have kept it in service in Russia and various other countries, making it one of the most widely used armored vehicles globally. The latest upgrade to the BTR-80, however, introduces a significant leap forward in terms of operational capability. The 32G01 Boomerang-Burevestnik combat module, developed by Burevestnik Center Research Institute, allows for remote operation and increased precision targeting. This remote control module is mounted on the BTR-80's existing structure, offering a unique hybrid of legacy design and modern combat capabilities. The module features the 12.7mm U-test heavy machine gun, known for its firepower and effectiveness against infantry and light vehicles. This is a notable enhancement over the BTR-80's previous armament options, such as the 14.5mm KPVT machine gun, which was limited in range and precision, especially in modern combat situations where accuracy and responsiveness are critical. The integration of a remote control combat module into the BTR-80 is particularly noteworthy for its impact on crew safety and operational flexibility. Traditionally, the BTR-80's turret require a crew member to manually operate the weapon systems. With the new Boomerang-Burevestnik module, the vehicle's crew can remain safe inside the armor hull, reducing exposure to enemy fire. The remote operation allows the gunner to engage targets with greater precision, while the driver can continue navigating the battlefield without needing to stop or slow down to reload or reposition the weapon. This can be a game changer in urban combat or environments where rapid mobility and effective fire support are essential. This new development is also in line with Russia's broader strategy of modernizing its military forces, which increasingly rely on technology to enhance both force projection and combat effectiveness. However, this upgrade to the BTR-80 also highlights a central challenge facing the Russian military today: the limitations of its production capacity for next-generation combat platforms. The deployment of upgraded legacy vehicles such as the BTR-80, T-62 tanks, and other armor vehicles indicates that Russia is forced to rely on existing resources to maintain its combat capabilities in the face of international sanctions, supply chain disruptions, and logistical difficulties that have slowed the production of newer platforms. In parallel to the BTR-80's modernization, Russia has been attempting to introduce next-generation combat platforms such as the Armator, Burevestnik, and Boomerang families of vehicles. The Armator platform, in particular, have received much attention due to its state-of-the-art features, such as an unmanned turret and modular armor system. However, production delays have hindered the widespread adoption of these advanced systems. Similarly, the Kurganes-25, an 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle designed to replace older APCs, have also faced challenges in its deployment. The Russian military struggles with scaling up production and meeting operational demands have led to an increased reliance on older, yet still capable, vehicles like the BTR-80. The decision to deploy the modified BTR-80 with the Boomerang-Burevestnik module can be seen as a necessary step to bridge the gap between older hardware and the modern systems that are still in development. The challenge of sustaining a military campaign while waiting for the next-generation platforms to become fully operational is not unique to Russia. Many countries have faced similar dilemmas, often turning to upgrades of existing vehicles and weapon systems to meet immediate needs. In the case of the BTR-80, the modification offers an innovative solution, enhancing the vehicle's firepower and operational flexibility while minimizing the risks involved in relying solely on legacy systems. When comparing the upgraded BTR-80 to other APCs in its class, the vehicle stands out in terms of its adaptability and versatility. The BTR-80 is not the most advanced in terms of firepower or protection when compared to Western APCs, but its durability, mobility, and the new combat module make it a formidable asset on the battlefield. For example, the US-made M2 Bradley, which entered service in 1981, is equipped with a 25mm Bushmaster autocannon, offering superior firepower compared to the BTR-80's machine guns. The Bradley also features advanced armor and electronics, giving it an edge in terms of protection and battlefield awareness. However, the Bradley is not as adaptable as the BTR-80, with its turret being manned and its electronics reliant on older systems that may be harder to operate in the field. The German Puma, on the other hand, is a much more modern vehicle featuring advanced armor, mobility, and a fully automated turret. It is one of the most protected vehicles in its class, designed to withstand a variety of threats, including anti-tank missiles. While it offers superior protection and firepower, the Puma's complex design and high cost can limit its fielding in large numbers, particularly in long-term resource-intensive conflicts. The BTR-80, by contrast, benefits from a simpler design and lower operational cost, making it more suitable for mass deployment, especially in a protracted conflict like the one in Ukraine.